Let's say goodbye to the days when we used to take hours, weeks, months to make websites. Now, with the power of AI, we can generate a website in seconds. Can you believe that? And in this video, I'm going to share with you an AI website that allows you to generate website within seconds. Let's jump to my screen so that I can show you how this is done. Unbelievable. Now guys, as you can see, I'm on the homepage here of Mixo.io, and it's an AI website as mentioned, and it allows you to generate stunning websites, stunning responsive website within seconds, right? And let's have a look at it. So it's powered by AI, it has some good reviews there, and over 170,000 creators are using this, and over 800,000 ideas generated. So it's been used, and let's have a look at the pricing. Now you can see that you have a basic plan, which is $9 per month, $19 for the growth site, and there's a premium plan for $39 per month. Now let's have a look at the features here, guys. Now as you can see, it's powered by artificial intelligence. You don't need to use any code. These websites are scalable. It's fully customized. Free SSL certificate here, guys. Access to free stock images, videos as well, videos embedded. Unlimited subscribers, the storage is unlimited as well, and so much more, guys. So it's fully stocked. Now we're gonna go ahead and test it for free. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask it to create a website design agency for me. Let's go ahead and generate the website and see what it does. Submitting descriptions, generating start designer logo, collecting images, crafting testimonials, right inside copy. No, it's actually fast. And look at this, guys. Wow, it even gave me a really nice name for the website and a really interesting logo. Not the best logo, but it's really nice. Let's see the content. Unlock the potential of your online presence. Wow. And it really shows some really good images, guys, I must say. The website looks really nice. Professional and modern designs. And on this picture here, guys, you can see like it's a website, a real website design company. It's really nice. I must say that it's not bad, guys. And I must say that it really created the website very fast. And of course, afterwards, you know, I can always make some modification to the website. I can edit, I can add more pages, etc. Wow, that's really nice. Now, what if I don't like these images? What can I do? I can go ahead and I can refresh image, and this is gonna change the images for me. And what if I don't like these images and I want to go back? I can go ahead and revert changes, and that will go back to the previous images. And there you have it, guys. It's a really cool website. I think it's an easy way how to kickstart your ideas for any website design that you'd like, and especially if you're going to create some website and need a quick mock-up. This is a good way that you can generate your initial ideas very fast. So that's really cool. Now guys, if you found some value within this tutorial, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate if you share this video as well. And if you've not yet subscribed, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.